Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. So in the streaming today, we are going to talk about how to sort the numbers. So let's say this is a class that I have created and a list is available where numbers are available in the unsorted order. So using a stream, it's very simple. You just apply a stream dot and there is a method, sorted method is there. So by default, it will give the sorting on the basis of ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means the first a minimum number and then the ascending order it will create, then first then the bigger number and the largest number will be there at the end. So what you just need to do, sort it and then you simple collect in what you just simple apply one collectors dot to list you can apply. Okay, and you just need to store inside the and then let's run it. So Java application, and when you run it, you can see that's coming in the sorted order from the given string. So you can see 0 is the lowest number and the 40 is the highest number here. Same thing if someone is asking you to do the descending order, right? So first you arrange with the larger number and then the last number will be the lowest number. So how will you do that? So in that case, what will you do? Again, you apply list.stream.sorted. And then in the sorted method, see the sorted method is actually overloaded. Here you can pass one comparator over here. So what you can do is you can simply write a collections class a dot reverse order. You can do that and then you collect and then collect in the collectors dot to list that you can get it. So here you will be getting list of integer once again, but this is the in the descending order you will be getting it. So let's see, this is my sorted descending list. And then I'm just going to print it on the console with the sorted descending list here. Okay, so let's see it is working or not. So this will give you in the ascending order and this will give you in the descending order. So let's run it and here the output you can see this is the output. Yes, 40 the maximum number here and then the lowest number 0, which is printing at the end. So this is your descending order sorting and this is your ascending order sorting. So very straightforward, very simple. Just simple apply on a stream sorted method and then collect. And if you really want to get in the descending order, sorted with the reverse order. That's it. And then collect in a list. It will return, this collect will return list of integer. So that's all, that's it. It's very simple, very straightforward, simple interview question. Easily you can give the answer at the time of interview. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless you all.